Hey everyone, in this video I am going to show you how the new bulk task feature works. It's super useful if you're moving over from another platform like Notion or Trello or a different platform you can export from. It's also just helpful if you need to dump a bunch of tasks that you have in your brain in plain text, or even if you have a picture of a whiteboard or a notepad if you want to import it into Proxii. Alright, let's move ahead to the settings panel. You'll see the bulk import task section. So once you open up the bulk import task, you can either just paste a bunch of text and it'll work just the same, or upload a file. As you can see here, I have an example .csv file with a bunch of names, due dates, priorities, categories, and description. Even if you don't have all the headers, the AI can decipher it and make them on its own. Alright, let's go ahead and try the CSV. Alright, let's give it import. You'll get a little animation going on. Well, it gets uploaded, processed, and then put into categories here. And then you'll get it import successful once it's done. Let's go ahead and check the task page and see if it succeeded. As you can see, all of the tasks straight from the .csv file are directly in here, just like how it was before. And I want to give you guys another example using a text file. If you guys take a look at this text file here, you can see how the AI deciphers them here. Alright, let's put it in. Give it an import. Let's go back to the task page. And we can see all these versions without the descriptions. And we still have the due dates for whichever one's had or not. One more thing, you can just do a plain text, be like, go to gym, priority high, due May 31st. Even misspelling, typos, and then import that. And we can see May 31st done here. We can link it to a goal if we want to, like get stronger and go to the gym. Go to the goals page, check it out, get stronger, go to the gym. Task is here, complete it, done. That is the bulk task feature. Hopefully it helps you guys out. See you guys in the next video.